Money.
Believers Radio. Believers Radio.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this little baby Drumkit 2021. Crazy sound, I'm telling you. You know we always got you as far as high quality and amazing sounds is concerned. So yeah, there's a lot of sounds in here. There's 808s, there's claps, there's hi-hats, there's kicks, there's midis, there's percussions, and there's snares. So yeah, man. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like what I'm serving you on that please just go ahead and hit the like button as well. And also, guys, if you like what man is actually doing out here, you can just go ahead and go ahead and do what? Yeah, go ahead and do that on Instagram. Let's show love for each other. We brothers and sisters out here. So yeah, man. So yeah, that's it. So for the midis, I'll be using Purity. Guys, I feel like Purity is a little bit underrated. So I was going through some of the sounds here, and I actually found some nice sounds. So for the piano, I use this low pass piano, which is actually good. So I think you guys can actually back me up after listening to. Sorry, I haven't played you the beat yet. I'm sorry for that. After I play you the beat, I'm sure you're gonna back me up that Purity is actually a little bit underrated. So I use this low pass piano, and there's a guitar in there as well. I use Purity as well. And then there's a pad in there which I use Flex, which is a VST plugin for FL Studio. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump into it. So I'm gonna play the beat that I actually made. It's free actually. It's a free beat for profit. So once you actually download the Drumkit, the beat will be wrapped up in there, so you don't have to worry about that. So let's start off with that.
Money.
Believers Radio. Believers Radio.
Yeah, so that's it. That's it for the beat, man. I wasn't gonna play you the whole thing. That right there just gives you a reason to actually go and download this drum kit. It's crazy, man. You get like a whole different experience. So yeah, let's go ahead and go straight to the midis, and then we can jump to the drums. So yeah, man. So let me show you the sauce. So let's start it first with this first MIDI. It's already loaded up. It's just 150 BPM. Alright, second MIDI. Same BPM. Alright, third MIDI. 141 BPM. Alright. Last MIDI. So that's it for the midis, man. So let's go ahead and jump to the 808. One more time. Alright, claps. One time. Alright. Hi-hats. Kicks. Midis. Sorry, we already saw that. Sorry for that. Percussion. One more time. Snares. Yeah, that's it, man. That's it for the sauce, bro. So yeah, so link in the description on how to actually download this stuff. Sorry, how to download this stuff. Or actually, there's a link down there. So once you actually click it, it'll take you to where this amazing stuff is. So yeah, man. So that's it. Enjoy the drum kit. Stay safe, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye. Stay safe.